Okay, good evening. It's spring, it's finally arrived here in the UK. We've had an awesome few days, so let's do a nice evening birding session. And I want to talk about hides and our local hides and what those things mean to us. So come along, let's see what we can find. So here we are. This is one of my favourite hides called the woodland hide. And I think, why it's important to me is what I wanted to really talk about. And this is a local hide to me. It's 30 minutes from my home. Perfect little spot for getting away, sort of in lunch breaks, after work. That little quick getaway. And I think as wildlife photographers and bird spotters, in general, people that love nature, I think it's really important that we have these little spaces that we can quickly get to. So for me, this local hide has become much more than just a hide. It's really become my little bolt hole, my little hideaway, my little safety spot when I'm feeling a bit low, had a bit of a stressful day. I love to get up here, and I think it's really important that we all have a little space like that just to help us clear our heads. So let us see what we can find. Hopefully, I'm not going to let you all down now, but I can already see there's some robins, there's some great tits around, so let's see what we can find as the evening goes on. magpies has been incredible to watch. Never seen the magpies come so close here. They've literally been right in front of the hide on the little bridge across the way, and feeding a matter of about 2 metres away, so that's been amazing to watch them tonight. A few robins as well posing, and just seen the jays. The 2 jays have just flown off across into the woodland, so yeah, it's been a great little session so far. See why I love this hide. Just had a jay down and a squirrel on the bridge at the same time. It's been really busy. We've got robins, got great tits, blue tits, a couple of magpies, having real good fun with each other, chasing each other, and just had a pair of robins that pretty much look like they might have been displaying. You know, it's great. It's that time of year. Things are starting to think about nesting and starting a new life. So yeah. Good times in my favourite hide. So the light just beginning to go, but it's been really good here. Currently got a magpie just right in front of me on the bridge, and just had a little wren. So tonight's count has been blue tits, great tits, wren, robin, 2 jays, 3 magpies. The interaction between the jays has been incredible. At one point there was 2 of them on the bridge. I think there was a squirrel with them, there was a magpie with them, and really busy little hide. It's been great for my first evening session, and as we speak the jay is back on the bridge right now. Let's have a go, see if we can get him. No, he's flown off. But yeah, it's been really good here for my first evening session of the year. It's like I said, these hides are really, really important to us as humans. You know, if you haven't got one, go and find one. Go and find that local little spot near where you live, because it's these little places that keep us going. If you had a stressful day, God, come and sit in this. It's incredible. It's amazing. Yeah, go out there, find that local nature reserve and use it. Use it or we lose it. Right, I'm going to see what else we can spot. Well, the light is beginning to go. I think it's been great here tonight. I've seen lots of different little birds, lots of woodland birds, so it's been really worth it coming out. Again, I encourage you to get out. If you've got a few hours in an evening, get out, especially this time of year. It's really busy, the birds are sort of pairing up and getting ready for nesting in that exciting time of the year. So I'm going to head out, I'm going to walk out, and you never know what we might see on the way out. So I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Well, I'll head back to the car now. And really pleased with tonight. It's been great. It's been a really good little night. Just